I spent the last few days seeing the same argument everywhere. One person says, Temu FREE Gift is 100% real. Another says, it's completely fake. And honestly, both sides sounded way too confident. So instead of guessing, I made a simple scorecard. I tested it myself and gave it points in 5 categories. No hype, no fanboy stuff, just results. Test number 1. Does the free gift feature actually exist? Score 10 out of 10, easy one. The feature is real. The offers are there. The reward system exists. No debate. Test number 2. Can you unlock better deals? At first, not really. I was using random coupon codes from different videos and the offers looked pretty average. Then I activated the code on screen before doing anything else, and that's where things changed. Suddenly I started seeing bigger coupon bundles, extra discount offers, bonus rewards, and stronger free gift opportunities. Score 8 out of 10. Test number 3. Are all codes the same? Absolutely not. This was probably the biggest surprise. Some codes barely changed anything. Others felt completely outdated. The code on screen was the only one I tested that consistently triggered stronger coupon offers and better reward opportunities. Score 9 out of 10. Test number 4. Is it instant? No. And this is where most people get disappointed. If you're expecting enter code free stuff in 10 seconds, you're going to be frustrated. The better offers appeared quickly. The rewards took longer. Score 5 out of 10. Test number 5. Is it worth trying? Honestly, yes, but only if you start correctly. Because when I used random codes and browsed normally, the whole thing felt overhyped. When I activated the code on screen first, the experience was noticeably better. Better coupons, better rewards, better offers. Score 8 out of 10. Final result. Real feature, works better with the right code, instant magic trick, worth trying. So after testing it myself, I wouldn't call Temu FREE Gift fake, but I also wouldn't use random codes and expect amazing results. The biggest difference in my test came from activating the code on screen before browsing anything. That was the point where the offers actually started feeling worthwhile. So here's my question. If you had one shot to test it yourself, would you trust a random code from the internet or the one that actually scored highest in the test?